Okay, this thing on the left, this is the remote control that controls the air conditioner right there, as well as the furnace, aka heat, the vents on the bottom. So it is a remote again, and here are the general operational instructions. Off and on button. Mode is for cool or fan or furnace. Fan speed is high, low, or auto, and the temperature button is up or down. And then there's also a timer function. Back to the remote. You have to point it to the air conditioner to actually get it to turn on and run. And then you want to hit the mode to change between the different modes between cool or fan. I don't use, or fan furnace for heat. I don't use the dry option. Auto is to change it, or the fan is to change it from auto, low, or high. And then on the back, for some reason, it is measured in Celsius. And so this converts from Celsius to Fahrenheit.